Full marital restoration, right, is taking place. God is restoring your marital promise. God is restoring your finances. God is restoring your spiritual life. You need some restoration in every area of your life, and God says that restoration is here. Welcome back to Prophetic Diary. My name is Tiny. If you're not already a subscriber to this channel, we don't know what you're waiting for. Don't wait 2-3 years down the road and say, man, I wish I would have gotten into the flow. Get into the flow now. Click on that subscribe button. Become connected. If you go down in the description box, you'll find out all that goes on here at Prophetic Diary. You can join our WhatsApp app group where you can get more information there as well. I can't share everything in these daily bread videos and the live, so you have to get connected to know exactly how God is moving behind the scenes in here at Prophetic Diary. Your life will never be the same. You will definitely elevate and go higher by joining us here at PD Nation. Don't regret it down the line. Right now, this Saturday, we have our Valentine's Day party that we want you to come and participate. Have some girl time, some karaoke. We're going to do a little cute DIY. So get your seat now so I can send out the crafts that you will need. P-Course, this is going to be running throughout the year, so you want to join now. Last February 1st, we talked about our finances, and I'll get you guys that playback having trouble finding it, but when I do, I'll get it to you, no weapon form. But this upcoming month, in the month of March, in our EXP course, you're going to be learning about how Esther in the EXP, Esther had to go through some preparation before she could even stand before Xerxes. You're going to go through some preparation before you can even stand before some of your promises. And God says, let's go shopping with me. Style and what fits you and what doesn't fit you. We've seen when Esther was in the care of Xerxes' men going before him. They took her into the harem where she was able to choose different jewels and shop around to see what was fitting for her before she went before the king. We are going shopping. We're going to learn about fabrics and how to shop on a budget and what is fitting for you, what is quality, what is not, right? This is not the skincare hair products. This is the outer, the garments, the robe changes that you are going to receive. So go ahead and join us in the EXP course. And last but not least, we have started our sweet victory fast today. It's going to run for 3 days, 7 to 7. Every day, water and vegetables. God is pulling out the distractions right now. I can't talk for your past, but right now here at Prophetic Diary, there's some birthings and some things going on, and Satan wants to resist. Is resisting by bringing distractions and things of old and keeping us connected. And there's things just hanging around your promise, weeds that you don't even see because they've been there for so long. But God says that He's going to pull those up right before springtime. So hop on this sweet victory fast with us. Connected, guys, because God has so much going on here at Prophetic Diary. I can barely keep up myself. Join the WhatsApp app, join our email group so that you are informed. So in your life right now, there is restoration taking place. You are being restored. Your finances are being restored. Your marital promise is being restored. Your spiritual life is being restored. Some of you have been suffering spiritually, but God says that I'm going to restore you. So we see in Esther 10:3, Mordecai is promoted to position of the second king. But this was not supposed to happen. This wasn't supposed to happen for him. But there was a shifting, right? The enemy thought that if I could distract Xerxes, Haman thought if I could distract Xerxes and make Mordecai out to be something that he's not and kind of keep Esther in a distance, that I could distract Xerxes long enough so that I could get him to sign this decree and take the Jews out. But God says, no, 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 no. Full restoration is here for you. And what was supposed to happen is not going to happen, but you'll be promoted instead. Somebody say they thought that I would never. They thought that I could never. They thought that my finances and my spiritual life and my marital promise could never be restored. But there's something that's shifting behind the scenes where God says that you are going to see a shifting take place where you're going to actually outgrow those rooms, and now you're going to be put in better rooms where you will be promoted, where everything there was a resistance. That's why we're on this fast. There was a resistance to stop you, to stop Xerxes from even getting to this place. But God says, no, 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 Mordecai, it is time for you to be promoted. You have such a good heart. And I spoke in my live yesterday in our members only live, and I talked about becoming tougher and being tougher and the resistance that we've seen. Mordecai had to have a resistance towards no matter what they were saying in the kingdom. There has to be a toughness in you. There has to be a strength in you, like Mordecai, that continuously goes to Esther and say, Esther, we have to figure this out. Esther, if you don't, someone else will do it. There has to be a resistance in you compared to your family members. There has to be a resistance in you. There has to be a resilience in you, a perseverance in you, where a resilience and a perseverance can be built up in you, like we've seen in Mordecai. Regardless of the noise of Haman, Mordecai stood steadfast and ended up getting promoted in a season that he was supposed to get killed. He got promoted in a season where he was supposed to be annihilated. You're going to get married in a season where you were supposed to be lonely. You're going to be sought after. You're going to get engaged in a season where everybody thought it was over for you. This was a slap in Satan's face. This was a slap in Haman's face when he seen God promoting Mordecai and taking him to the next level in a season that he had plans to take him out. You shall not lose. Full restoration to your finances, full restoration to your spiritual life, full restoration to your children and your health. In Jesus' name, family. I have another video coming after this. If you feel led to sow into this word, I want you to put a note on that word and put a hashtag full restoration. Hey, they can lose hope. They can deny the Lord, but not here at Prophetic Diary. Somebody say double. Somebody say full restoration in my life. See you guys on the next video. God bless.